Welcome to Spanish Life Classes. Today we tackle the verb tener. In English, it is normal to say, I am hot, or I am 30 years old. But if you translate directly and say, yo soy caliente, you will surprise a lot of people. In Spanish, we don't are these things, we have them. Let's fix this completely. We use tener for 3 situations. 1. Possession, things you own. 2. Physical sensations. You don't be cold, hungry, thirsty, or sleepy, you have them. And 3. Age. The logic in Spanish is that you possess your years. You literally say, I have 35 years. Yo tengo. Tú tienes. Él, ella, usted tiene. Nosotros tenemos. Ellos, ellas, ustedes tienen. Repitamos de nuevo. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tienen. Let's practice. You are working from a cafe and want to order. How do you say, I am hungry and I am thirsty? Yo tengo hambre y tengo sed. Now introduce your age. How do you say, I am 35 years old? Yo tengo 35 años. Remember, the verb tener works very differently in Spanish. We don't just use it for the things we own, possession. We also use it to express our primary physical sensations like when you are hungry, thirsty, cold, or sleepy, and to state our age. So the next time you want to say, I am 35 or I am hot, remember the Spanish logic. You have your years and you have that sensation. Excelente trabajo hoy. You just took another solid step toward fluency. Mastering Spanish is all about practice and real conversation. If you are ready to stop translating in your head and start speaking with confidence, join our classes. Book a personalized session with our certified native teachers today. The link is right below in the description.